unfold the possibilities of MAKITA's cordless outdoor power equipment. The rear-wheel drive delivers the torque to tackle uneven terrain. Experience instant power without the hassles of gas. This 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower cuts non-stop for up to half an acre.
Proper ergonomics. The Ego chainsaw has both a front and a rear handle. Always keep your hands on both handles when operating this tool and point the bar and chain away from you. The front handle can be held using any of the 3 sides. Modify your grip position according to the type of cut you need to perform. Never put your hands in contact with the blade, especially if the blade becomes stuck in debris. Keep in mind that this chainsaw was designed to cut wood up to 12 inches in diameter.
Hilti's second-generation vacuum solutions VC150-6 and VC150-10 have been enhanced to help optimize productivity and bring you more mobility and higher performance. They're the most compact and lightweight vacuums in their category. The big wheels and push bar of the VC150-10 and the shoulder strap of the VC150-6 allow for better ease of use and mobility. The new adaptive automatic filter cleaning function helps you assess the status and performance of the vacuum. With clarity on filter status, maintenance becomes so much easier. The VC150-10 has high volume flow rate of 156 CFM, making it OSHA 1926-1153 Table 1 compliant. The Hilti VC150 vacuums are backed by our industry-leading 22-1 service warranty and can be added to Hilti Tool Fleet Management. We're here to help you.
Experience MAKITA's cordless outdoor power equipment. Now, quieter than ever, the cordless blower reaches speeds of 116 miles per hour. All that power is under your control with the cruise control lever. At 459 cubic feet per minute, it moves high volumes of air so cleanups go faster.
The Works Hydroshot, the world's first portable power cleaner that lets you clean anytime, anywhere. Fueled by a 20-volt max lithium battery, it's self-contained and pressurizes any freshwater source. Just grab and go to clean anywhere and everywhere, leaving dirt and grime where it belongs. You can even use your normal hose and boost its pressure up to 10 times. Don't let messes build up. Quickly and easily maintain your outside spaces and gear all year with the Works Hydroshot. Ready, aim, clean.
Get the perfect combination of performance and value with the OnePlus 10-inch string trimmer edger. Lightweight and easy to handle, this 2-in-1 tool allows you to switch effortlessly between trimming and edging tasks. The convenient auto-feed string head advances the trimmer line whenever you release the trigger, with no bumping required. And as part of the RYOBI OnePlus tool system, it's compatible with any OnePlus battery in your collection. The OnePlus 10-inch string trimmer edger is covered by a 3-year warranty. The RYOBI 18-volt OnePlus handheld electrostatic sprayer saves time, chemicals, and money. It starts instantly, and with electrostatic technology, covers surfaces faster with less chemical usage and better results than traditional sprayers. At the pull of the trigger, spray solution is charged when passing through the nozzle, allowing it to adhere and wrap surfaces more efficiently. With the option to add a 2-liter tank and 2-gallon backpack tank, it's the most versatile electrostatic sprayer no matter the size of the job. Use a variety of disinfectants, cleaning solutions, and deodorizers in the removable 1-liter tank with measurement increments for precise, hassle-free fill-ups. The adjustable nozzle has 3 settings at 50, 75, and 100 microns and sprays up to 5 feet. Nozzles are easily removed for cleaning or replacement without the need for extra tools, making maintenance fast and simple. It also features a convenient LED light to help you see surface coverage better. And it's all powered by a RYOBI 18-volt OnePlus battery, so you can tackle any job, no matter how big or small. The RYOBI 18-volt OnePlus handheld electrostatic sprayer.
The mouse sander has gone cordless. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. With a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it can hold a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the detail finger attachment allows you to get into those extra hard-to-reach areas. And with the dust collection feature, you can clean up quickly. Now, the cordless mouse sander can come along wherever the project takes you. The cordless mouse detail sander from BLACK+DECKER, helping to make life a little smoother.
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless caulk and adhesive gun, the most powerful cordless caulk gun on the market. Milwaukee-built all-metal gears provide an industry-leading 950 pounds of pushing force for even the highest viscosity materials. The variable speed trigger and 6-setting speed dial offer precise control of flow rate, and constant flow technology maintains a constant bead. The exclusive Milwaukee anti-drip mechanism instantly relieves pressure to prevent material spilling. The gun has a quick change, rotating collar carriage design, which means quick, easy changes between 10-ounce, quart, and sausage-style material containers. The tool dispenses over 200 tubes of construction adhesive on one charge with the red lithium compact battery. The tool offers a battery fuel gauge and is compatible with the red lithium compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. Dispense sealants with more control and less fatigue with the Milwaukee M18 cordless caulk and adhesive gun, powered by red lithium.
DEWALT gets you right to work with cordless confidence. Introducing 4 new additions to our ever-expanding 20V Max XR cordless nailer lineup. The DEWALT 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer, equipped with a micro nose for line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, versatile yet agile to take on a variety of projects and provides you with the hold you need without holding you back. The 15-gauge angled finish nailer, incorporating a micro nose for accuracy where it counts and ready to finish what you started. The 18-gauge flooring stapler. It's ready to install flooring from 3/8 inch to 5/8 inch with ease. Framing, flooring, finish, completely cordless from start to finish.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and